On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram bio link not working or not showing or any glitch. So to fix it, it's actually very easy and I'm gonna show you how to in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, and then turn off the Wi-Fi and enable it again. And then go back and click on the apps manager page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, as you can see right here. Click on Instagram. Now on this page, as you can see, you need to click on this option. It's called data usage. Make sure that all the network access are enabled, and then click on the force stop and go to the power usage details. Scroll down and you will find this force stop option. Click on it and then click on this force stop again right here, and then restart your phone or turn it off and turn it on again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.